Now let me show you a few features that we feel are important with this machine. First, it sets on 4 legs, squarely on the ground. Now I want you to notice the treadles themselves. Notice that the fulcrum point of each pedal is in front of your heel. This allows you to push down with your heel as well as down with the ball of your foot. Sort of a rocking motion back and forth. This is not unlike the old sewing machines, that had treadles. Footman rods, now they have Teflon bearings on each end. They need very, very little lubrication. The crank, the welded crank itself, is designed in such a way that it's impossible for you to lock up the wheel, so you can't go forward or backwards simply using your feet. The main flywheel shaft and the spindle shaft each have sealed ball bearings that never need lubricating. Now let me show you one important feature. It's how this business end goes together. Right here we have a whirl that we're going to slide on the spindle shaft. These 2 pinholes on the back of the whirl line up with the pins on the collar. You merely slide that on and insert the pins into the pinholes. Next you'll slide on your bobbin. The bobbin slides right on the same shaft. And finally you will slide on your flyer. Now the flyer slides on and clicks. When you hear that click, you know that the magnet has pulled it in, and the magnet's what holds the whole assembly together. Now when it comes time to ply your yarn, you'll simply put your filled bobbins on the back, bring the yarn together through this fair lead hole, through this fairing, and right up to the top for plying. When you're ready to transport your wheel, just simply pull the pins out of the back, and it rests quite comfortably on its back. Very stable in this position, right across your back seat of your car. Last but not least, I want to talk to you a little bit about our maiden. Our maiden has a 1-inch calibration section. This allows you to calibrate your yarn to see how many turns per inch you get. Just turn it in there and it's 1 inch long. And when you're not using this as a maiden, you simply pull it out and it becomes your threading hook for threading the orifice. Okay, that's about it for our features section of the video. Be sure to watch our assembly instructions coming up.